Get a good look at this paint on here. You see that spot right there and the spot up here? Because when we do this whole hood, it's going to look just like that. And I bet you we can do this whole hood with our DeWalt, make it shine like that, waxed in an hour. Way better than painting, and we'll just touch up those little nicks and stuff, but it's gonna look like a brand new hood. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we are here on Boomzilla. Can we make this dull paint shine? Look at that nastiness. Look how dull that is. Let's see what we can do. And I lied to you because I said I was going to do the rust stop, our special mixture on stopping rust until we can get to fixing it permanently. I have to tell you, I'm sorry I did that, but I had mentioned earlier in the first video that I want to attack those things that are a true eyesore, and as you can see by the front of this Boomzilla, that it is an eyesore. The front winch bumper is nasty, and the paint on this, we are going to see how crystal clear and shiny we can get this nasty looking paint. And it is it's dirty, so we're going to wash it up. And what we do with a vehicle that's this dirty and has been not maintained, we use a soap called Dawn Platinum, and we use it because it will strip all this garbage off there. We're not going to use our good Adams soap on it. Glad to have you here with us with this multi-video series. Let's get it washed up right now as far as the hood is concerned, and then I'll show you what we're going to do to see if we can bring the shine, a decent shine, back, because the hood's not in really bad shape. There's a couple of chips right here, but we can touch those up. Let's see what we can do with it. When you're dealing with something this dirty and where the dirt is embedded into the paint, we like to put the soap right on the old brush. And it may take a couple washings to get this thing looking right. All right, now you can see by that brush, it is not clean. That soap is nasty. And it's looking better already, but it is dirty. There's no other soap out there that'll clean that like the Dawn Platinum. And once we do this bumper where the winch is, we've got to name her. If anybody got a good name for the winch, be creative. We need a good name for the winch. She's a big one. Does anybody know what I'm going to use to buff this out with? You know. This is what we're using right here. You know it. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Right here. I'm just going to rub it in by hand. You can wear gloves if you want, but we're just going to do this little area, and then we'll do a top part of the hood here, and then we'll bust out the DeWalt to do the rest of the hood. But for around the tight areas, around the lights and the turn signals and all that, this buffer here works like a charm. And don't forget, we're doing our Sweet Sunday reviews. We're going to do a lower priced item and a higher priced item, and we're going to do it differently. You don't need a 20-minute video on showing the difference between products. The reason I say that is because there's already enough confusion out there. We're just going to tell you what's the best and what we found works the best for us, and you got nobody to complain to but us if it doesn't work. Sweet Sunday reviews. All right, we're going to hit this area and then on top. And there's 2 speeds on this. We're going to start low. This is just to see if we can get a shine in this dull paint. Should have a ladder doing this, but and everybody buffs differently, so you just do it however best works for you. Now we're going to change this out. Real simple changing on this right here. And we always start with the yellow one. You can start with whichever one you want. Now we're going to go with the white one. We're going to put it right on the pad. We always start slow to get the compound into the pad. Now we'll go with the buffing fuzzy pad. And there's going to be no wax on this, just the compound on this paint. And I'll show you before and after, of course. Done. Now, I can actually see a reflection of the trees and leaves and the light on the camera. So let's get it up there close so you can take a look at it. This is with no wax, and I think that we're going to find with wax on it, it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look. See the light right there? Go over here. Dull. Does no shine whatsoever. Let's go up on top. Light. No light. Let's go over here. Nothing. Nasty. This is the power of that compound. We put a spanking on this. Mama put a spanking on it. Isn't that gorgeous? Just think when we wax it, which I'm going to go do. All right, you can see it when we get back here. Look at that shine. That's what this whole truck's going to look like when I'm done with it. Or I make Julio do it. There you go. But let's wax it with our favorite wax, because it's never good enough. And we may even decide to ceramic coat this with our favorite ceramic coating, which will be in the tools list. If so, then we won't wax it. We'll just go right to ceramic coating after we buff it all out with the old mother spanker. Or may I say, when we get done with the old spanking mama. Now we're just going to use the handy dandy. Look at that shine. What do you think when you go from this to this? This truck is going to look gorgeous. This camera doesn't even give that justice. The cool part about this tool is we'll be able to get into areas like this, take that handle off right here, and buff around all that area. No beading whatsoever. Look at that. And people said that paint was no good. You could not refurb it. But you're on Sweet Project Cars. Alright, which door do you think we repainted? Left, middle, or right? No paint. We put a spanking on it with that little buffer. Took us 5 minutes. Check this out. No beading whatsoever. We can make this truck look gorgeous.